I'm Terry Bradshaw. Throughout my career, I have found that a person's success is more often than not dictated by their own self-awareness. Join me as we explore what makes people tick in order to gain some insights. The challenge for shippers and carriers has always been to transport products as quickly and as safely as possible. Cargo constantly wrestles with colliding boxcars, swinging cranes, high speeds, and turbulent roadways and waters as it travels the globe. Coupled with the fact that these heavy trains and cars have very little shock absorption, a tremendous amount of force is transferred to freight, often causing it to shift around or break.
One of the most common reasons for cargo becoming damaged while in transit, whether it be on a boxcar on the railroad or whether it be in a truck crossing over the United States, is due to the insufficient use of dunnage. Kendall Jackson ensures that its cargo, i.e. wine, is properly secured with dunnage.
Dunnage, also known as cargo protection, is anything used to secure or balance cargo in trains, trucks, and ships. It's also what keeps goods safe and unharmed while en route to stores.
Nowadays, manufacturers, in an effort to stay competitive, are scaling down the size of their containers. Their bottles are thinner, their boxes are thinner, and it also produces less waste. The downside of that is that they have to use more protection to keep their products from being damaged in transit. So, with the increased velocity of shipping, we need to use more dunnage and more protection.
Since 1981, Sunrise Manufacturing has been a leading manufacturer of dunnage materials, serving such industries as food and beverage, construction, mining, and industrial goods. The company specializes in corrugated honeycomb void fillers.
Well, in 1965, down in Florida, I was working in phosphate fields, and another fellow and myself saw this hollow core door that come apart. And he said, "Can you use this as something in your business?" And I said, "Yeah, we can make plug doors out of a standard boxcar."
What's typically viewed as landfill filler, Sunrise's honeycomb dunnage is actually made from 100% recycled material. The material comes from old corrugated containers, post-consumer packaging, and clean trimmings from the paper industry. Because the void fillers are recyclable, shippers can use baling machines to crush the product and resell it to recycling companies. In order to ensure the durability of these materials, Sunrise has invested in a small lab and computerized press to measure the crush strength of honeycomb.
The basic design of corrugated honeycomb hasn't changed in 45 years. Our ultimate goal now is to create this product with greener materials, with less waste, increase efficiency, and basically just keep our customers happy by reducing claims.
Sunrise has developed an extremely tough, reusable panel called the Impact. The Impact is created using a patent-pending process of coating expanded polypropylene foam with urethane-based industrial coating. Expanded polypropylene foam is known for its sturdiness and shock absorption qualities and is commonly used in the automotive industry as padding for panels and bumpers.
Our experience with the Impact panel has been quite positive. We're one of the largest food and beverage boxcar shippers in the U.S., and as such we use a tremendous amount of dunnage in our rail cars that we ship. So we're always challenged to do things more efficiently, more cost effective, and better for the environment. And with the Impact panel, we feel that we have found an answer, and it's held up well under testing in 3 different cycles.
In addition to the Impact and honeycomb fillers, Sunrise has introduced expandable void fillers called Diamond Core. Sunrise has also developed a square airbag which can fill up to 30 inches of space, proving particularly popular with food and beverage shippers who typically have large voids in intermodal loads.
Our biggest challenges are that we have to make it stronger and lighter weight, more reusable and cheaper. Our commitment is to the railroad industry and also the shipping department.